and this is H810M. Click to here. Then click to support. Select your operating system which is using. If you are using Windows 10, so download, select Windows 10 and install the driver and download, because installations process same Windows 10 and 11. Okay, if driver is different, so but installations process same. So chipset driver, so download first one. Okay, click to here. I already downloaded. Just single click and double click to exe file, which is all encrypt. After that you can click on give the administrator rights. Click on yes. And then close it. It is done.